When we come to a chimney or a skylight, do the following steps. Probably want to put a 2x2 batten here just to brace that panel at the base of it. Then we're going to find our corners, and we're going to go ahead and wrap both our corners, extend the panel a good 4 or 5 inches past my corner. And then we'll go ahead and place that. And then we can fasten into the head wall and down at the bottom. Then after we're done measuring and cutting our panels, we're going to come back in and start with this first panel. And you can see we're going to fold that corner once again once we find it. And before we put that panel on, we're going to go ahead and caulk our corner and down our panel. Then we'll go ahead and place this into that caulking and go ahead and fasten that as normal. Then we can go ahead and just start taking from our panel that will be in order, placing those. And remember, all my head wall and sidewall bends need to be a minimum of 2 inches. And then we can go ahead and fasten those panels. Continue until we get to our top panel. Then you can see once again we're just going to find our corner and wrap that corner as well. Once we get all that fastened, we'll be ready to do our counter flash. Right after we get our panels bent up, the minimum of 2 inches on my head wall and side wall, we can go ahead and flash this. On the head wall, we're going to want to use our top row. So we're going to go ahead and throw our M-seal down or our top row foam closure. So then we can go ahead and throw this guy down, wrap our corners, and then we can go ahead and fasten that as normal down through the top. And then we can come back. We have a couple options. We have our 3.5 inch fascia that you can throw over the top if you like. We're going to show our Z-bar here today. So this is our Z-bar. Once again, just wrap my corners. And then we can go ahead and fasten that. Then we can go ahead and take that same Z-bar, wrap my corners, wrap the back side as well. And then we can go ahead and place, I want to fasten that one as well. Then once we get that all flashed, then we can go ahead and come back with our flat stock and create a saddle pan. So we'll just take the measurement from the back of our skylight or chimney, go ahead and measure back to that batten, bend just like the panel 2 inches, 1 inch up, and then fold up whatever you need along the back side of your chimney or skylight. Then we're going to add our M-seal, that way the next panel comes over the top, we don't get any wind-driven rain. So once again, we'll take our caulking here, caulk up our corner, then we want to extend this a good 3 or 4 inches past our corner, and lay that into that caulking. And then we can go ahead and fasten that back into the back wall and the back. And then the next panel will come over the top.